Spontaneously, and you can see the very straight edge of the beautiful white structure here at the back of the moon, and we'll get in to see that a bit clearer in a couple of seconds. And a beautiful massive structure here with geometrical shapes, and 1, 2, 3, 4 at the back right in here. This is a beautiful area with all these doors or window-like areas. Oh my gosh, I got to show you guys this. It's just incredible. The back side of the moon. Recognize that crater? That's right. Plato Crater. The one and only. And this is at the back of Plato Crater. I could literally say up in the mountains. Very colorful mountains. So let's go see this edge here, a straight edge that's coming downwards and upwards there. There's two geometrical shapes. So let's try to get in and see what they look like. A little hard to see. I was hoping to see it better, but look at the surface. There, cloud area, cloud regions again. Cloud regions here. Structures hiding underneath. Greenery around Plato Crater. Cloud-like pockets here. All around. Away from Plato Crater, not even. Yep, that's on the surface there. You see it? See the markings? And look at these objects at the back. Aren't they incredible? Look at the entrances and everything. This is an entire city. You must see it, the corridor or tunnel. Massive structure standing up right in front of the mountain down here, guys. You see that? I'm showing you this, the surface, the colorful surface of Plato Crater. No jokes. Plato Crater is right here, my friends. See? Really, guys, it's that simple. And look what's here. Another geometrical cutout. Very beautiful. And inside, more anomalies. We'll have to change and edit that photo. Structures seeping out of this area hole here. Very geometrical structure. But look at that one, guys. Right down from the mountaintop here. It'd be very long, too. Close to 100 kilometers. Beautiful surface of Plato Crater. Best ever yet so far. I'm getting there. Hope you enjoy, guys. So for those of you just joining the channel for the first time, it's a bit mixing up for you because I've advanced obviously and I've continued exploring on the surface of the moon. This is actually the surface of the moon, and we're seeing it in color. And there is a lot of color on the surface. There's this rainbow, literally all the colors of the rainbow are on the surface, but prominently greens and purple patches come up under the gray. I'm talking about different atmosphere on the surface of the moon, whether there's, we know that there is one, I believe it's 0.6 or 6%, I don't know how much. I think that is 6% or 6 times less, whatever NASA said. I do believe that it's there's more atmosphere, maybe enough on the moon to get clouds, so we're seeing these pockets of smoke, etc. But this is a nice view. It's nice and clear, and you could see it just looks like a sandy, mossy surface all over, just like a literal force field. I see people mentioning holograms and holographic images that they say that the moon, they see on the moon. And you know what? I don't discredit any of these statements. It's just there's something's wrong with the image of the moon. Something's definitely wrong with it. But just look at the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view behind Plato Crater that we don't see very often. Basically never. Nice view of it, the mountain ridge going up there, and the reds, oranges, greens, and look at the mountainous terrain here. You could see it under, of course, always a little bit of a cloud over the surface, whether it be industrial smoke or cloud, or like someone said this afternoon, whether it be the atmosphere they are producing themselves. This is what I thought. I mentioned a couple of days also that I believe that maybe the atmosphere has been entirely created by them on the moon. Maybe they entirely created the universe, so let alone that. That's another story, but to be continued. Now pay close attention here, friends. Really close attention, please. We could all see this geometrical shape, okay, right here. You have to look. Keep looking. Look at the light on the left. Those are geometrical structures. They're buildings. Look closely. They're bright. They're geometrical shapes. Look in the hole there on the bottom. Another tunnel structure going upwards out of the hole in another material like Aristarchus crater. The same darn material. There we go again. Lines coming down here. Structures down on the surface at the back of Plato Crater. This is proof. We can see it. This is an original way of getting the surface. I'm not Hubble telescope. Do you know Hubble has over 300 filters on it? Do you know that? I just have to show this. In the bottom hole there, I'll try to put my finger, but I hope it doesn't distort the image. Right in there. And look at the right here, also a blue structure or blue hole, and there with something blue inside, some substance, and it looks like the blue continues all along here, a ridge. Could it be water again? Maybe not. Maybe it never is. But look at what we're looking at. This is behind Plato Crater, 50 miles, guys. Right on Plato Crater. It's just below this, the image here. As you can see, if I zoom out, there is Plato Crater. So we're getting some amazing surface behind Plato Crater. Look at them in the mountains there. There's lights coming from these. These are structures. They're lit. They're lit up. And they're lighting up the surface also. And for what? Why? Why are the ones at the back not lit? And why are they covered with green? I mean, are they older structures? I don't know. There's just a lot going on. And when you see these lines pop up, when you look at these white clouds of smoke that are lit with this yellow and blue light, and white, yellow, blue, and white, and you see these strands or lines coming from it, it's not pixels. There are structures amongst these white clouds or mysterious patches of light. Now this is an overall beautiful surface that we're seeing here behind Plato Crater, and there's so much for us to go and see. Look at this amazing surface of the moon, guys. I'm able to bring for you guys. Just mesmerizing. The shapes and structures on the surface we can see. Oh, look at the colors, guys. See the haven down there, the dreamy science fiction world. My gosh. Imagine if those were all rivers and lakes. I don't know what they are. Not yet, but it's just amazing. There we go. All these surface. I'm happy with this one, guys. Showing a lot. See the surface? Look at it. It's beautiful. These are all structures, guys. Another dreamy area. This is right on Tycho Crater, right in the corner there. And just look at the structures there on the ground. You see them there, inside, hiding behind Plato Crater. More there. Cloud-like areas again, puffs of smoke. Hiding many structures, greenery. Up on the ridge there, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. Amazing color. Where are all the people that love looking at moon pictures all day long and who look all their lives day and night for moon and alien structures? This is where you got to send them to, guys. Here and Technothanks, guys, look them up. Techno, Techno, Thanks, Technothanks, all together. Great guy, great channel, finding truth. And it's amazing. You find structures like, I mean, I haven't been on Mars very often. He has a lot more than me in photos, amazingly. I'm not even going to compare myself to that. But the structures are the same. You know why? Because it's those structures that everyone's getting. More people will start getting them. I'm positive. See the structure here behind Plato Crater with other lines coming out, whether they be structures, walls, whatever, they are there. Look at this, the geometrical shapes inside of the light. It's a whole bunch of squares. Look at it. It's a block. So is Aristarchus Crater. It's the same material. The lights cause the telescopes to get this blurry overall. Remember, this is why we have to post-process stars, guys. We get back even nebulas. They're just all white clouds, until we post-process them and add color to see the real colors and detail, extravagant colors come out, like I just did here on the surface of the moon. This is a blue structure, several blue structures, and the more we'll zoom in, the more we'll clarify it, and I will this week, we'll see more cities come up. It's just, I know it's overwhelming, guys, but it is the color of the moon and it's the surface, and let's just get over it and just accept it and start finding these damn structures. And at one point, when more people are doing it, we know NASA will definitely be coming out of the closet very soon. I'm almost positive. Are you ready, guys? Look at this beautiful pan. Infrared, everything's adjusted. High dynamic range not needed in this clip. Look at it. Just beautiful. Here's a photo that's a lot closer, the same photo. And now zooming up, we're seeing more of the layer of cloud, more lights, structures are clearer, there are more of them, more numerous, more color, entrances, whatnot, anomalies, many things to look at. And look at this photo's a lot closer, and you can see the thickness of the terrain. And again, a very, very, very apparent cloud all here.